Hey everybody, here at the shop, hanging. I just want to do a quick little video on some new stuff that we've got. So check this out. We've got some new Gundams, and so these are like straight up entry grade starter kits. Like this is how you want to get started. So if you don't want to worry about painting anything, these little snap kits are super cool. So I got some of these, and I wanted to have those along with like the snap kits here because everybody likes those and they're great for kids to get started with. And so yeah, I just wanted to show those off real quick. Actually, I'll go ahead and open this. Here we go, we're gonna open this up. And this is what's inside the box. Oh gosh, forgive my hands, they look so gnarly. I've been working on the acting and I'm giving a crazy disc spread. Yeah, check it out. It's got all the goodies, it's got the instructions, all the pieces you need. This one looks like it's going to turn out really cool. I think I'm going to build one of my own. And yeah, I'll put it together. Oh yeah, I can see what it looks like. But yeah, these will be on the website later, so hit us up.
Do it. Cover. Oh shit, he's destroying buildings. Like bite hands, so he's like, Mega Godzilla's like, ooh, it really hurts. I used that hand to write.